No, I guess you will come in and so. Right, so let's begin. We see any other people that are coming. One person here. Hello. The only way I will know comment. Just comment. Comment. I will know that you here. Comment. Like here, if you hear comments, I will know that you are here. Like your therapy parents are you're here already. 'Go. I think that the reason you guys are not seeing me in YouTube link, anyone work for you, that's it. But I'll refresh my stream. So I expecting everybody to see it, but now 5 person here. I mean, we send a link. 'Praise, a lot of people say him and never back. If you hear me, praise unmute yourself and talk. Because they were here China is saying that they never. You see him on screen? And what the other boy again talk? Let me let him know. If you on YouTube, please come back to Google Classroom because that's where I can hear you. I guess 4 people here, so just come back to Google Classroom. Someone there that they said and they see my screen, so we can come there and then reach out the network. Amos, Amos do, Amos do. You see my screen? You see my screen? What? Alright, let me let the other knows here. Yeah, I think they never said that. Join the Google Classroom. The last link, just join the Google Classroom. The last thing I just seen. Yeah, the never is okay. I think so. Alright. Only people are here in the midnight. I said inserting, let's say hyperlink. No, not hyperlink, but images. The first way is how to insert image from your, what's it called, from the internet, any part of the internet. But now I'm using Pinterest. I want to insert, so I copy the image link here, and then come out of VS Code, open your tag. For you to insert image, the the element you will use, or the tag is img. The img tag is for image. Img. See, img stand for the image. What is stand for? SRE stand for the source of the image, meaning where you taking the image from. I'm taking it from the internet, so I already copy the link. So I'll paste the link here, and then see, let's see, let me just say, uh, art. Hello, everywhere. Oh, you getting me? Let me go from here and add it to my any other image that I downloaded. Let me take image from here, any picture, or let me copy this. So I'll copy this and paste it in the directory. Let me see the name of the directory. Online class 2. Online class 2. So it's where I'm working from. So image to online class 2. Copy to, for those that just joining, you see my screen. If you see my screen talk now, just unmute and talk. I mean your talk now. You see my screen? Alright. Praise Jonathan. Jonathan. Jonathan unmute and mic and talk. Esther. 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 Oh. Alright. On YouTube and Google Classroom. And then so alright. Let me see what are YouTube people there. One person on YouTube. I know that who there. Not that problem with that. Everybody that's seen on screen, that continue. So Alright, alright. I mean, you're sorry about that labrador network. And I say that labrador network giving you problem. And you know, you all know our country. So I'm trying to talking about insert the image here. Insert the image here. Let me do the first way so that everybody can understand. Before you copy the image, create your working folder and then drop, create your working folder. So I say you create your working folder and then copy this image here. Let me put it within my folder. Empty. Oh my god, easy. Online class. Okay, there's it. So I'll paste the image here. Is the image. So I want to insert the image in my VS Code. What I will do, open your img tag img src equal hash show. Or let me rename it so that people can understand. Yeah, because most people not understanding. Let me rename the picture here. You got the image here all about Lara Neon what in that concern all of. Let me rename it and see, and so we can continue from there. Remember the img tag, it can be used to insert image within VS Code. But then you have to add the source of the image. I will tell you what the source is just now. Let me rename the photo quickly before I can tell you about the source. Picture is a picture. That's the name for now. Picture. Come out within your VS Code. See here a name a the picture. There are two ways. If you want to, if you are doing proper work, it better you separate your image folder from your fast, your HTML file, and now your other programming language fast. So for now, I just drop it within the folder. This is the folder image into HTML. What will I do? I have to know first which time I send it there. Tomorrow is the deadline. If you not do, I will move you. Meaning, not see you to learn. Yes. Say your image tag img, the src meaning why you taking the source one say src the image source. Since in the scene folder, I just type the name of the image prc. See, when I type in the name, if in the scene folder, it will show directly. Then you close it. If you close it, it finish. Now let me show you let me show you. uh, Yeah, if you want to insert image within VS Code, first of all, your laptop will be alright. Just copy any other picture you drop it within your working folder. Open the folder and then on it ways, but three different ways. First of all, the proper way. Secondly, the improper way, and thirdly, the other way if you're taking it from online. Yeah, so me open the VS Code and go live. Let me open my browser. So for now, we see nothing here. Nothing here. So I want to insert image there. I'll say using the img tag img, that's the image tag. Then you after you type the img, you leave it. Image tag, it doesn't have closing tag. Remember the image and element, it doesn't have closing tag. Say all HTML element have an opening tag, but there are few that doesn't have closing tag. Number one is the image element doesn't have closing tag. Number two is the horizontal line hr element doesn't have closing tag. Then they got multiple, but what necessary now I'm telling you. Then number three is the other tag, which is the br, the break element doesn't have closing tag. So the img Once you say ing, automatically it's auto close. So img same for the source of the image. Then you tap if it install for again me do the first so you can understand say prcture .jpg. Once I typing picture.jpg, you notice the image here because it already in the same folder that I'm working from. I just added it so you can see something. So come out of VS Code. See here, picture.jpg. Now, before it will take effect, you have to always save your work. Control plus S to save. Control plus S. Control S I save it. If you not save it, you see all they one here already always. Now you not save. I just do one or two things and not save already. So anytime you type new thing or you add new stuff to your work in HTML or in VS Code as a whole, it will always get it one over here, meaning you add a new files to it. So I already save it and open your browser. It's here, it display on the browser. It display on the browser. You try it when it work. Alright. I'm going to show you the other way. Yeah, that one HTML file and then my picture. I'm going to let's say I'll put a picture in another folder. All the work in the same folder, but to do clean work now, you have to separate your image, your file that you're working with. So I'll cut the picture here or maybe create new folder, images, and then paste the picture within images. Now the picture now here again, we see the image here, the image folder. They already in the images folder. So if I come here and refresh, yeah, I haven't done anything here now, so I don't know what I will change. You see, it show here, meaning the symbol. What if you add an image in HTML and then hello, everybody getting me? You're getting me right? So you guys see it show error here, meaning the image not display because I'm removing from in the folder all my HTML files and take for instance, if I load a picture and nobody know what the picture stand for, I just creating something and then I add picture there. Nobody know what the image means. But then since the image not know here, you add writing on the image. Or somebody don't know what the image what kind of image you put here. Yeah. So how you can do that one? Maybe the image will be corrupt or it might not look. So you add your alternate attribute, the alternate description describing what the image stands for. So after you have added the image here and then you close it, you say alt. I want to change again. After you come here,